Hey, do you need an expert solution for your broken MacBook? Get in touch with iTech Xpress in Covina for comprehensible MacBook repairs. Professionals at iTech Xpress offer a complete solution for Apple devices. Whether it is a cracked screen or technical issue, you can solve them with expert assistance. It is a one-stop repair center that is serving for years to satisfy all its customers' repair needs. They deliver a range of repairs and replacements for iPhones, MacBook, iPads, iPods, and more. You can get a detailed diagnostic service, time and cost estimates, and quality spare parts at this place. Call at 626-777-4747 or visit iTechXpressInc.com if you have any query regarding their services.